Good morning to all of you that stopped by. I hope you're going to enjoy this post that we're doing today. This will be a free post. Nothing on this post is going to cost any money. Everything you see I already owned and had. And if you like this type of content, please click the like button. Think about joining in. We put up a post every single day. There's always something new and different. We always love new family members too. Also like to thank all of you that have been coming by our channel. This channel has been going for 8 years next month. And we have had some wonderful friends and wonderful relationships with our awesome friends. So I hope you all like what you see, and I hope you all enjoy a new Cozy Corner video with butterflies and fairies. You know Grandma loves her fairies so much. Isn't she a beautiful one? Believe it or not, I bought her last year at the Goodwill, and she was in perfect condition. Well, let me know what you think in the comment section. And this is going to be a yellow, white, and blue table, well, I should say table, Cozy Corner tea for two. Oh, it's Cozy Corner time, as you can tell. We're back over here and seeing what we can see. Looks like we have the butterflies still out and about, flying all over the kitchen. We have a blue, white, and yellow theme going on today. We're going to start with our beautiful cheesecakes that my daughter made. They're faux, and are they not beautiful? We have them setting on top of our black and white check salad plates on top of another yellow plate with the ruffled edges. Doesn't it look beautiful? I have my blue and white cups with the butterflies out and about also. I, of course, love blue, as you all know. And of course, flower themes are my favorite. And my yellow roses to go with the yellow accents on this display. And over here, a cute little, let me see if I can scoot her over a little so we can see that beautiful blue butterfly. My granddaughter got me that for a gift 5 or 6 years ago. Isn't it beautiful? I just love it. We put our little bird in the cage with her eggs. And none of this is new either. This whole display is free. Everything here I've had for quite some time, or years. I still have not given my daughter's riser back to her yet, so I'm still borrowing it. I need to return it. Probably will return a lot of things this week. I just have too many things here at my home. I have borrowed and have not returned. And then, of course, our beautiful flower arrangement in the center of this Cozy Corner. Doesn't it look beautiful? It was a little dark in the Cozy Corner, so I thought maybe it would be good if I added a little bit of light to it, for you could see how beautiful the flowers look and all my beautiful butterflies scattered all about. You know how much I love to decorate the Cozy Corner. Thank you so much, my dear friend, for stopping by. Always love having my awesome YouTube buddies coming by and seeing what I do. Of course, you know Grandma's always has to have a fairy somewhere in her display. What would life be without the fairies and the gnomes and the magical creatures out there? Oh my, I do love them so much. Let me know what you think. And of course the beautiful yellow flowers and blue. We've got some beautiful florals on this tablescape today. I always loved putting a great selection of flower arrangements together for your enjoyment. Hope you are enjoying everything we're sharing. And of course, I was so happy that this was a free post. I know it's hard to believe, but I have so much inventory. I really don't have to spend a lot to make big displays like this. And in the future, I'm sure I'll be spending less and less money. The economy is getting bad, but it doesn't mean we can't still put up beautiful displays just by shopping our homes. I'm sure you all have beautiful, beautiful display pieces that you can reuse, repurpose. And if you move it around and change it up a little, you'll be amazed at how many arrangements you can make for free. Just look at what you already own and have and see what you can find. And as you can tell, Grandma loves her butterflies and fairies. I always make room for them, don't I? Well, thank you guys so much for stopping by. Thank you for all your love and support. Thank you, my dear friends. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the post. If you're not following, please think about it. We would love to have you be a part of our family here. I couldn't believe that we were able to find so many beautiful yellow and white pieces with the butterfly theme. What did you think? These white butterflies are from Hobby Lobby. The beautiful blue flowers are from Hobby Lobby. And I've had these so long I can't remember where I got them. Maybe from Walmart. I do buy a lot of flowers from Walmart. They have a lot of good quality. They just don't have a big selection. And I'm pretty sure I got these from Walmart also. They are so much cheaper there, but the quality is really good on their sunflowers. And these sunflowers I got from Home Goods, and they came in a beautiful container that of course nobody's really seen because it always has something in front of it. We'll try to get a beach scene put together in a week or two and show you how beautiful the container is and how well it works with different projects, and it fits perfectly in my cozy corner. And you know sunflowers are my favorite.